Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make tiger nut milk. Tiger nuts are perfect for making dairy-free milk and it is naturally sweet. Stay tuned and watch how I make this. I'll be using the dried tiger nuts. So I will let the tiger nut to soak in the water for about 24 hours so that it will soften. Start soaking the tiger nuts. I would like to wash it, then add another fresh water and allow it to soak for 24 hours. About 24 hours of soaking the tiger nut, I like to carefully select my tiger nut to remove any sand or dirty. When I'm done, I will add the tiger nut into a blender. Add water, not too much water to avoid diluting the flavor of the tiger nut. Now I will blend until it is smooth and creamy. When I'm done blending, I'll be using my sieve to extract the tiger nut milk. You can also use cheesecloth. When I'm done pressing, I will set aside the tiger nut pulp. Then I'll continue the same process. Don't throw away the tiger nut pulp because we are still going to use it to make tiger nut flour. You can see the tiger nut milk is ready. You can store in your fridge for about 2 or 3 days. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.